Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, the thing is, I made lots of videos in Brazil, in Venâncio Aires. But now, I'm in my dad's hometown, Cachoeira do Sul. Okay? Yeah. So I'm in a new place. I'm not with my mom's parents. I'm now with my dad's parents, my new baby cousin, my auntie. A lot of people live in this house. It's very weird. I'm going to show you a couple of things I've did in Cachoeira do Sul, and then I will give you a little house tour. It's a big house, actually, so it's not going to be that little. I just finished going to a clothes store to buy some clothes. Yeah. So that's why I'm all sweaty. It's 39 degrees here in Cachoeira do Sul. It's very hot. It's good we have like air conditioning in almost every room. Not actually, we have in only like 3 rooms. But we have a lot of fans in this house. So yeah, let's get started. So I went to this amazing store today. It's called Renner. You should really check that out in Brazil. It's amazing. There's so many girl clothes and boy clothes. But the girl clothes, oh my god, are like so cute. I got 2 shirts because that's all my mom would let me get. There's so much shirts I like though. So I got this one because it really matches my personality. Unique. I'm pretty unique. I'm left-handed. Only 10% have coffee patches, and I have one right here on my leg. I have interesting natural hair. It goes from like a dark color to like a very light color, if you can see here. It's very pretty. I have natural wavy hair, which is not that rare, but... And I have the heart lips. Heart lips. And I have dimples. It's not that rare, but I am pretty unique, in my opinion. It really matches me. Everyone thinks I'm very amazing and unique. I'm fine with that, but I like being unique. And this one shows everyone my love for the beach. It's a very pretty shell with pearls on it. Very cute. And I'm looking forward to using that on a nice beach day. And that's the shirts I got. I look forward to doing that. And if you're a viewer from Brazil, go to this store. It's like the best. And then there's always this like China shop. Like there's always this mini fair thing. No, this is so weird. But there's always this like little, how do I explain this? It's like a tiny, like, oh my god, like, one of those places that sell like the $1 things, like the dollar store and like thrift stores and the China shops. Well, there's one in Brazil and it's like so amazing. And I one time got this interesting... No. I hate this time thing. Okay. So I got this Tamagotchi. Yeah. I've breeded 2 animals. I braided a frog and I named him Tom. And I braided a seahorse named May. So yeah, you can put it on your neck. It's not that amazing. But I do check on it every day to see if my pets are healthy or not. Next, you see, and then close to this China store where I got my Tamagotchi. There's so many ways to say it. But you keep seeing I tilt my head, and you keep seeing this thing. It's actually a bow I got from this little jewelry store. Yeah. Today I'm actually going there to build my own bracelets. That's going to be cute. If you want to see what my bow looks like in the full thing, I'm going to turn around so you can see it. I just don't know if my hair looks actually really nice today or very bad. We'll just see. Can you see my hair at least? Can you? Do you see me? Good. Does it look good? I don't know if it looked good or not. Hi, Mama. And I also, and there's always this fair thing that goes on, like every Friday and weekend, and all these people come to sell some cute things they made. And last time I bought these 3 bracelets. There were 5. They were nice. So I got this one, and this one, which I really like. And today I hope I can get more. Since I'm going to make a bracelet in that jewelry store, and I'm going to put it right next to these on the other hand. So yeah. Time for the mini house tour. Currently I'm in my bedroom. Cachoeira do Sul is like a very small city, but it's like a nice little suburban, but it's, God, so crazy. But I really like it here. It's really nice. So here you go. There's the bed I sleep on with my parents where I was filming. And here's this mattress that the other people sleep on. This room is full of mirrors. Gosh. Today we're going to skip the toilets. Because my mom is. Let me show you this room. This is my auntie's room. And where her son sleeps, my cousin. Cute bed. Her TV. This thing. Yeah, pretty good. Nope. Here we're in the big bathroom. Here we have a nice shower. We have the big jacuzzi here. It's famous for making our hair be bad the next day. And an amazing this thing. Hello, you can see me in the mirror, look. And then you see me in there and there and there and there. And it keeps going on and on forever and ever. Okay. We have a toilet if you wanted to see that. That's embarrassing, but anyways. That's this room. Lighting's terrible. We have my dad's old bedroom. That's his bed. Now we keep this stuff here. This is like my baby cousin's thing. His name is Henrique. I'm gonna open this chest. I just really want to. Lighting's bad in this room. Can you see me? Yes. Time to open the chest. There's a message in the bottle. It says, Captain Henrique, 1-year-old. It's so hard to say this. Okay. Let's see what it says. It's probably a map, though. Oh, it's a birthday invitation to his birthday party. Anyways, I just really wanted to see what's in here. It's great. I'll give you, this is the dark hallway. It's famous for doing that. There's so many houses in here. I should make another video about showing you all the pictures in this house. Here's our gigantic living room where me and my father like to play pillow fights and nice games. Really pretty. Next toilet. Shower. Toilet. Plant that annoys me all the time. Sink. Next room. This is my least favorite room. But it's interesting. I'm fine with it though. Gets the best lighting in this entire house. That picture right there creeps me out all the time. But anyways. We have a nice little room here. We can see our beautiful Christmas tree that I decorated. We have even more pictures here, God. We have the piano. Beautiful. We have another Christmas tree. And here we can see our amazing living room where I spend my time watching TV. Really nice. Okay. This place is crazy. Okay, today we're just gonna skip the kitchen because a lady comes here to cook our lunch, and I don't want to disturb her, so that's what we're gonna do. So we're just gonna walk past her into the dining room. Okay, guys? Got it? Yeah. Just pretend that. Dining room, where we have our special lunch. We don't actually eat dinner here or breakfast here. It's just our special place to eat lunch. I'm to show you the big pool. And here's a tour of the smallest bathroom here. Laundry room. Ooh, so bright. Sing? I will. Obrigada. The lighting's very bright today, isn't it? Anyways, this is the fishing room. That's where we all get our all fishing supplies. Okay, let's go back into the very brightness. Abang. Hi, Bachika. So bright I can't even show you the pool. Let's see if the lighting's good here. It's fine. We sit here and stuff. Okay, it's getting light. We have to get out now. That's the inside of the house. There's still so much more house to show you. But sadly, I can't show you that. Let's go back to the room and I'll excuse you from our video. Dark hallway. Thank you for 450 subscribers. It's amazing. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the video where I show you all the million pictures in this house. Bye.